Welcome back. BJP President Amit Shah is expected to visit Goa. Goa BJP has invited BJP President Amit Shah in the state during membership drive. Goa BJP President Vinay Tendulkar has requested party president for a day's visit to the state. Party held its meeting in Delhi to discuss strategy for the membership drive. Party has decided to register 11 crore members nationwide.
Bharatiya Janata Party has decided to set up Guinness World Record by registering 11 crore members in India. To discuss the strategy, party held a meeting in Delhi. Meeting was chaired by party president Amit Shah. All the party presidents from various states, membership drive presidents and organizing secretaries were present for the meeting. Party has discussed various strategies to reach out to maximum people. Party has decided to visit all booths for registration of members. It has been decided to appoint full-time worker at booths for registration of members. Goa BJP unit president Vinay Tendulkar informed that Goa BJP unit has invited party president to Goa. Amit Shah will visit Goa anytime during the membership drive.
बेगीन आपण गोयान येत म्हणून आमका आश्वस्त केले आसा. केन्ना येतले म्हटले गोयान? केन्ना ते सांगून आपण बेगीन त्यांची येवपाचे प्रयत्न आसा गोंया खातीर. आमी तांकां पर्सनली मेळून निमंत्रण दिलां. अमित भाई शाक. ओके चालू असतानाच येतले ते. हा मेंबरशिप ड्राईव्ह चालू असतानाच मध्ये येतले. हा केन्ना तरी येतले कारण अजून ते गोवान त्यांचा गोंयान प्रवास जावना. म्हणून आम्ही त्यांना गोयचे तर्फे आव्हानिक तानावडे आणि सतीश दोन यांच्यानी त्यांना निमंत्रण केलं.
Goa BJP unit has targeted registration of nearly 4 lakh members. Senior reporter Lokik Shilkar for Prudent.
Borkar, who was wanted in corruption case, surrendered himself before Verna police on Friday night. He immediately complained of uneasiness, due to which he was then shifted to Kasauli Health Center. But on Saturday morning, Borkar was shifted to GMC for further treatment. High Court on Friday dismissed his anticipatory bail plea. Ramakant Borkar was absconding since a month.
Ramakant Borkar complained of uneasiness after he surrendered to the Verna police. He was then shifted to Chikle Health Center. On Saturday, Ramakant Borkar was shifted to GMC. Ramakant Borkar was absconding since a month. His anticipatory bail plea was also rejected by High Court on Friday. Following dismissal of his anticipatory bail plea, he surrendered on Friday night. Currently, Borkar is admitted in GMC. Ramakant Borkar was wanted in a corruption case for demanding and taking bribe for issuing no objection certificate. Counsel of Ramakant Borkar says that he has been falsely implicated in the case. Defense counsel also contended that Borkar's political rivals have laid a trap to implicate him. Bureau Report, Prudent.
Evening courts will soon be a reality in the state of Goa. State Law Department has granted all the clearances to start evening courts in Goa. Under new provision, these courts will be functional from 5:30 till 7:30 in the evening.
Long-awaited evening courts are going to be functional in Goa soon. State Law Department on Friday issued necessary notifications to start evening courts in the state. Goa government has come up with this decision in consultation with the High Court and Goa Public Service Commission. According to notification, this court will be functional between 5:30 to 7:30 in the evening. The evening court will have power to hear all types of cases. Principal district and session judge will assign the cases before the evening courts. The decision has been notified under the High Court of Bombay at Goa rules, and the High Court will notify required number of courts as evening courts. The High Court has power to appoint, depute and transfer any service judicial officer to appoint the judge of the evening courts. Legal fraternity feels that the evening court will reduce the backlog of cases, but limited infrastructure and manpower is still a hurdle. Reporter Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.